Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's just jump right into it. So this first outfit, I've been watching a lot of like K-pop dance inspired like type of videos. So I really just wanted to give my cargo pants the chance to actually shine. So these cargo pants are actually from Temu. The webbed knit top is actually thrifted, and so is this jacket that I put on. My shoes are from TUK, and my hat is actually from my boyfriend, so I have no idea where it's actually from. But I felt like this outfit was giving like casual, cool, downtown type of vibe. I think I would be cold in this, but you can't tell me that I don't look cold in this, you know what I mean? I look cool as hell. This is a good fit. I really like this outfit. It's so simple, all black, casual, stunning. Next outfit. So in my last video, I actually showed this dress, and I like this dress. It is so beautiful. I love the shape, silhouette, great. However, though, the waist is not snatched enough on me the way that I like all of my dresses and pretty much everything I own to fit me. I'm gonna be so for real. I know I'm a little annoyed with this shit, but I just really like having a snatch waist moment. I don't know, there's just something about it. I feel like that's a silhouette on me I just really love. I love how it makes me look and feel. So I put this vintage bustier on top to kind of still allow the shape of this dress to be shown, but give me that like cinched in look that I wanted it to. This dress isn't extra small, it just doesn't fit me like super like tight on the waist, and that is to keep in mind. So if you are kind of built similar to me, keep that in mind with sizing. I wanted to go and give more like black accents, because anytime I wear all white, I feel like I'd be given bridal, and I don't ever want to be given bridal. So I always have to mix in black to kind of add back in my own personal style and elements and touch. I liked and went ahead with these arm warmers because it's white and black, so it still kind of balances out. These are actually from Too Fast clothing. These boots are from TUK. They're some of my favorite go-to boots because the platform isn't too high, but it's really cute. The beret is also thrifted as well too. Went with a slip surface bag. Again, we're doing white and black here, so it doesn't make sense to just add fully only black kind of accents to it. I think this fit is so cute. I don't know what jacket I would go with this, which is why I don't think I went ahead and added a jacket over top, but I could still access the pockets even with the bustier on. And I feel like that's important to know, because don't we love a dress with pockets? I'd never be putting nothing in there, but I like the option to put something in my pockets if I wanted to. Now going on to this next outfit, which I'm very excited about because it looks so freaking cute. So I think a couple videos ago I showed this tiered maxi skirt. It is so cute. It kind of gives me like peasant, I'm gonna run through a field, I don't know type of vibe. And this top, as you're gonna see, this top is everything. I love the pointed hem that it has to it, the bell sleeves, the like milkmaid top part of it. So cute. It's originally from Killstar. It's their birch top, I believe. The only reason I remember the name is because I got it recently. So I just changed from that dress to the skirt and this top. Kept the beret, kept the same boots on. And I feel like that's so simple and cute. We do gotta winterify it. We gotta add my favorites, fur trimmed. It's faux fur. Don't come for me, okay? But it's vintage faux fur coat. It does have pockets as well. It always automatically gives me rockstar vibes. Every single time I put this coat on, I feel like I'm instantly cool. It just gives me the vibe that I am that bitch. I mean, I am that bitch in like everything, but you know what I mean. It just like takes it to the next level. This hat is a vintage genuine suede little baker boy type hat. Oh, so good. I've been really into this hat for the season. Now moving on to the next outfit. These flares are from Too Fast clothing. This is the same top that I just had on. Now I went with these glitter platform lace up boots from Lamoda. Let me tell you, these boots are so cool and so different. I don't own any other like sparkly boot, and I just feel like they give such a cool, unique twist to an outfit. And because they're shoes, depending upon what you put them on with, it could kind of give or take or add something to an otherwise kind of simple outfit. These pants matched with those boots gave me like rock star, kind of like Nana, I don't know, just something really cool. So I wanted to lean into that with like some pattern clashing. I know I've mentioned before that I don't feel super confident doing pattern clashing because I feel like I never really do it quite right, but I really like this mix. I think it looks so funky and kind of cool because I don't think I really see pattern mixing, especially with animal print, done like this, because this sort of coat, every time I wear it, I tend to want to go with red plaid. I don't know why I've never tried it with stripes, because I really like how this looks. I think it looks so cool. moving on, we're taking off these boots. Goodness, I like that there's a zipper on the inside because that eats. This skirt though, I don't know, something about it I wasn't really feeling with this top. So I'm kind of using the same top mostly because I just wanted more options and ways of wearing it, because every time I wear it I tend to feel conflicted about if I want to show the like pointed hem on it or not. So I wanted to just get some different outfit ideas with that. So the same top, this is a vintage is this cheetah? I don't know, we'll go with cheetah print little mini skirt and with the same faux fur trimmed coat. I always wear tights with like mini skirts in the season, mostly because I'm trying to not freeze my ass off. They say a hoe never gets cold. That is a lie. They're always lying to you. I've lied to you if I've ever said that in the past, because I was cold. I was freezing my ass off, and I just refuse to do that anymore when we don't really have to live life like that. So yeah, I just thought that that was really cool. Now this outfit came together from me looking at the pile of clothes in front of me. So this pleated skirt is thrifted. It's originally from American Apparel. It fits me a little loose in the waist, but it is what it is. This mesh dress up or dress button up, oh my gosh, it's a button up dress shirt. I thrifted this so long ago that I can't tell you how long I've had it. I just feel like I've had it for a really long time. So I threw that on top, and then I put on top this Windsor corset top that I got from Jamble like a couple months ago. Now so far we have like an all black look kind of going, and I kind of mentioned that I like pops of color sometimes, but I like more of a burgundy kind of color. So I put this like vintage sparkly beret. It actually has like little sparkly beads all around the hat on top. It's so fun. I got it from this like local vintage antique shop in Orlando, and then I still have the same boots and tights and stuff on. And now with this coat, I got this from the Goodwill bins years ago, but the stitching on this is what really makes it my favorite. I remember when I got this coat, it was like the first thing I picked up at the Goodwill bins. Like, do you see this like Frankenstein kind of stitching? It's so cool. And then there's actual pockets and everything. I don't think I ever really wear this coat buttoned up, but I love like wearing this coat and how cool and unique it is. But I also share it with my boyfriend all the time, so sometimes he'll wear this coat, I'll wear this coat. It's our coat at this point. Then taking this outfit off and just kind of like switching to the next one. I'm not keeping any of the same elements of the last outfit and just kind of switching things over. Oh my gosh, this one, these shorts, I recently hauled these in my Forced Ink like haul video. The moment that I saw these shorts and like was sitting in my room after I finished filming that video, this outfit came into my mind and had been sitting in my mind ever since, because I don't know why I didn't think of putting this as a styling option in that video. But this cropped cardigan is from Foxblood. I don't know if they still sell this anymore, but it's got like the cute little like faux fur collar and cuffs. It's so cute. Of course we have to winterify it, or at least to some degree winterify it, because I'm trying not to freeze. These socks are actually like over the knee socks. I got these years ago from the mall, Charlotte Russe specifically, when I actually used to shop at the mall, and I put those on. But I got those I think back when like the Arctic Monkeys AM album came out, because I was obsessed with the song Knee Socks. I still own all of my knee socks from then, but yeah, now I'm scrunching them down to match the height of the knee-high boots. Those are from TUK, by the way. They're kind of like this soft gray color, which is why I went with the gray beret over top, because I feel like the colors then just match really well. I also feel like this little cropped cardigan just goes so cute with these bloomers. Like, it's obviously way too cold for me to actually wear this outside, especially not without a coat or a jacket or something, but it's adorable. I look so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. But yeah, so I think I fully forgot my point that I was saying about the knee-high socks. It doesn't really matter, does it? Yeah, it really doesn't. Oh, my beret that was also thrifted. So switching gears, I really like these little bloomer shorts. I think they're so cute, and I was wanting to mostly style them more, because I felt like even in like the haul video, like when I was showing like styling options, I was trying to make sure I was showing styling options of every piece. But I will say I do kind of feel like some of my styling options weren't like, they weren't bad, they just weren't like my favorite, and I feel like there's so many other styling options. But if I were to show you like all the styling options that I could think of with some items that I share, it would be like 2 hours, because my mind and everything in my wardrobe is so interchangeable, and I do that on purpose. So I switched to this white kind of like tie front ruffle, huge Peter Pan color top. I got this from Cider like last year, and that's the same like Windsor corset top that I got from Jamble from the other outfit. I don't know how I feel about this white shirt, to be honest. Every single time I like put it on me, I don't like it, but looking at it right now, I'm like, that's so cute. This is a cute outfit, but I don't, there's something about it. I don't know. Maybe I just need to wear it outside and I'll actually like that top on me, but I don't know. Every single time, there's something about it that I'm not a fan of. So switching to the next after that, I kind of wanted to try the idea of like using the shorts as just shorts, like with a sweater. I did not like this one. It was so bad. Not a fan at all. There was something about like the length of that sweater with the shorts that I just wasn't a fan of. I felt like they didn't really go together as well as I would have liked them to. So this heart print sweater is like distressed. It's from Wild Fox Boutique. I got this years ago. I did also switch my boots to my Ugh.Kerria boots because I felt like those like went with the shape of my legs a lot more. It makes it, I look so tall actually because of the switch of the boots. There's nothing in the front, so it just makes my legs look more seamless. And I feel like this sweater and the bloomer shorts just go together a lot better than the other sweater did. There's something about the length. I think because this one kind of covers most of the short that it looks better. This jacket is also thrifted. It's International Concepts, but this faux fur trim that's on the collar is so fucking annoying. I don't wear this jacket that much because without the fur trim, it just looks plain and basic, but the fur trim comes off so easily that it makes it annoying as hell. So I went ahead and decided I was done with styling all of the bloomer short outfits. I couldn't really think of any more. I mean, there's probably way more that I could do. If you want to see a whole dedicated video to that, just let me know. I switched to this velvet maxi dress that is also thrifted, and I'm gonna be so for real with you. This right here already, this is so cute. The vest is from Killstar. It's like an under bust type thing. I switched to my TUK. I forget what style they're called. I think they're called the nosebleed boots. It's the same as the lace up knee-high ones, but they're an ankle style instead. And I feel like those fit better under a maxi dress, because why wear knee-high boots when you have on a maxi dress? Then I put on my Trip NYC little corset jacket. We love. But because I put on the corset jacket, I feel like the vest underneath is so pointless. Literally, like it still looks fine. Like if I were to take off the jacket with this outfit, it would still be cute. But because the jacket's on, you think I'm really gonna take the jacket off? That's my Killstar Allegra bag, by the way. It is secondhand. I got it off of Poshmark. Honestly, again, it's like my easily most used Killstar bag that I own. Like I use it so much. I constantly am switching to this bag all the time. It's currently not my current rotation bag. I think I might switch it to something else right now, but that bag is everything. It's the perfect amount of storage. I could fit so much shit in there. It's great. Next outfit here is this Killstar's distressed sweater. I got this actually in a size small. I normally get everything from Killstar in a size extra small, but I got this in a size small, so the sleeves are a little extra long on me. I found this on Jamble. Yeah, I found it on Jamble last year for 40. Yeah, for 40 bucks, and it was like such great condition. Super simple outfit, just slung over like the velvet maxi dress, and nothing like super to write home about. Oh my gosh, this one. So this is a Princess Polly white romper. Now here's the thing about this romper. I really like this romper. I think it's so cute, but my boyfriend pointed something out to me about this romper. It's like the middle section, like between your legs, weirdly dangles very low, and because of that, it gives like a very clear view up your pants basically on the romper. So ever since then, even though I wear shorts under this romper anyway, it just, I don't know, I feel weird wearing it without anything on top. I don't know. So I wanted to pair this white ruffle little skirt that I got also from Jamble. Both the romper and the skirt are from Jamble on top of each other. Kind of gives the look of like a white mini dress, which I had been on the hunt for, but ever since I put this outfit together, I now feel like I don't need a white dress because this basically looks like one anyway. And I kind of like that it's two pieces that get split apart. The fishnet gloves are from Killstar, and I did go ahead and put on my Unif Dame platforms. shoes that I got a few months ago, and this is my current mood fur trimmed cardigan, which I think is so cute. This is definitely gonna be a great outfit for when it gets a little warmer outside, because right now I'm looking at the temperature. It says it's 49 degrees outside and it's cold as hell. This outfit would be way I would be freezing in this, and my lip service little like messenger bag as well. Oh, this is so cute. I love this outfit. I feel like it's like flirty and cute, but looking at it closer, I feel like I would definitely want to do a belt between the skirt and the romper so it wouldn't look nearly as awkward together. But I think it's really cute. And from a distance, it does look like it's just like a mini dress and not actually just like a romper and skirt together. But that is what it is. Again, I still like the romper, but I don't know if you could see the middle thing that I'm talking about, because ever since he pointed it out, I can't unsee it. And now I think we're moving on to the last, but probably the best outfit I think in this entire video. This ruffle skirt is from Temu. This top is that like bustier like corset type beady top that I got in my online thrift haul video. I wear this top all the time. It just makes me feel instantly cool. I think I even wore it on Halloween. I don't know. I've worn it so many times. The heels are from TUK. This is actually my go-to bag currently right now. This is the bag that I've been slinging right on over my shoulder. And I even like how this looks with the tights and everything and beret. I think this whole outfit just gives me like fashion student type vibes. I feel so cool in it. I feel like I just look cool. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I would be able to tell you the history of like a whole fashion house or something. I don't know. I think I just look really interesting. Like I have interesting things to say. And I paired it with my Charlotte Russe like trench coat. I also thrifted this from the Goodwill bins. Can you believe that? Honestly, sometimes some of my finds that I be finding at the Goodwill bins are a little insane. Like, who would have donated this? Because it's in great condition. I've even washed this so many times because I once spilled McDonald's like sweet and sour sauce on this jacket, and I was very sad. Yeah, understandably. But this outfit is easily my favorite, and the last outfit here for this video here today. Oh, we can't let the back go. Remember, the back laces up. I'll never let you forget if there's a back detail here. Anyway, that was the final outfit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know which was your favorite. And if you like this video, please do go ahead and give it a like. All of my social media links will be linked down in the description box below. I hope you have a great day, night, afternoon, whenever the hell you may be watching this, and I hope to see you soon. But in the meantime, between time, take care.